All right, we've got the distance formula. So this is the second thing that we're learning today, and hopefully this looks familiar. This graph is very similar, except for the only difference that's going to be going on here is that we need to find the distance of this entire segment here. And the way we do that is we list it very much the same way, but we have to use this lovely distance formula here. So we're basically taking the x2, y2, and those are beginning now. And then we subtract x1, y1, and then we have to square both pieces. So this is very important that you do the inside first, and then you take the square root of everything last after you've added them together, okay? And we're gonna, this is gonna show up on the next slide if you'd like to write it down. And then I'm gonna show you some examples after that. One last thing that I wanted to touch on is if I did go ahead and do this here and I wanted to create a triangle, right here, this is going to be, this distance is x2 minus x1, and this distance, the blue one, is going to be y2 minus y1. Sorry, y1 right there. So I'm trying to find the distance here, and this ends up being a right triangle. So basically I'm doing the Pythagorean theorem, where it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And this is not something you need to know, but if this was my a and this was my b, that's basically how we end up getting the distance formula here. And that's just knowledge for you to know.